this is how to set, this is the Empire E105 dot 16 inch 406 millimeter Empire level. This is how you to set the digital part compared to the spirit level. This is how you go by doing that. You make sure that the spirit level it's level and it's right in between the two lines there. And to get this to do this, to get it set to where it vial syncs, you hit mode and inspect at the same time. Let's try this again. Doesn't say how long to do it. Now, unless you have to have it shut off. Maybe you have to have it shut off. Let's try this. Okay. First, let's turn it on. And we'll try it again. Let me see what it says here. Well, okay, maybe you just need to push them and let them off. Okay, there she goes. You don't hold in onto it. You just press and let off. So excuse me on that there. It is doing the cow. And then okay, that flashes in there. Press and hold mode and inspect button for 1 second to start the calibration sequence. Okay, we did that. Press and hold the mode for inspect button for 1 second to start the calibration sequence. When complete, the audio will sound and the display will return to the measurement, and the icon will appear in the display. Okay, as it shows, that's what it shows there in the display. It's showing that right there. It is matched. It is matched with the spirit level right there, which is exactly in the center. So when I change, let's see, when I change to, let's see, this is rough in. That is, this is, and sorry for taking a few minutes to figure that out. It was just basically you give it a press on this level, that's what you have to do. When you initiate something, you just tap it. You just tap the button or pressing the button and let off, and then it lets go. And I forgot to do that on that. And then to initiate, like to start in the calibration, I press for 1 second, and then it calibrated. Okay, this is rough in degrees given in whole round numbers, and that's 0, 0, 0. That's where we want that. And the spirit level is at show you guys right there. That is 0.00 right there. And if we go like this, that's changing with the spirit level as soon as I let this back down. And the spirit level is again right there in the center. That's matched up right to the center right there. And then if we go to percentage, same thing. Percentage is at 0.00. If we go to millimeter, millimeter is at 0. Sorry if I had the camera down, I'm sorry. And then if we go to inch and foot, she shows right there that she is exactly level. And if we go to inch and foot in fractions, like if I lift her up and she shows there's 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 inch. And just to verify if that's 1 inch, I'll put this back down and put this on pause, and I'll check it with my tape measure. Give me just a second. Matching it to the ruler or to my tape measure was when I went to check to see if it was at 1 inch. It was slightly over that, and I think that's just because of the electronics in the sensor part of the level. But as it shows right here, the spirit level, and I'm trying to make sure that I do not move the camera so you guys can see this, is right in the center right there. She's got a little space on each sides, and that's where when Stabila was showing in their videos, that's exactly where you wanted it. You wanted a little space there. You want a little space there, and that's dead in center. So if I go to and this was when I was going to percentage here, and she's at 0 right now. When I'm wanting to check what my bench is, it used to be 0.75. Okay, 0.75 is what it was showing, and that's what it's showing right now. Of course, I got my arm on it. Let's take my arm off of it. It's showing, here's what it's showing on the spirit level. Slightly past the line, and it's showing 0.95%. It was showing at 0.75. And right now, it's showing 0.95, which I would think that this would be a little bit more accurate because it's matched up to the spirit level. Now, I can go back to factory if I want to, but right here is, again, 0.95 right there, almost 1 right there. And so that's what it's showing. That's what it's showing right there. And so if we go over here on the layout and we put it right here, it's showing 0.30 right there, and on the bubble level or on the spirit level is right there. So, and there's where it is in the display. If we move her down right about here, she's showing 0.3% right there. And to me, this is a little bit more accurate than what it did before. And there it is on the bubble level. To me, this is a little bit more accurate, I think. It's showing 0.25. I think it showed 0.30, which was just a tick off. Not much off, just a few degrees off. And I think it's better. I think it's better since it's matched up to the spirit level. Okay, right there is again 0.30. You can see the spirit level is over this way a little bit, so she is again 0.30, and we'll go back right here again here. Now the spirit level is right there, but she is at 0.25% in degree. So pretty well, to me it's a little bit more, maybe a little bit more accurate. And then going back here, when I put it right back here on the, this is on the shelf here, she's exactly at 0. And she's exactly matched up with the spirit level. So that is how you calibrate by you make sure that this is level. You hit mode and inspect. You just push the buttons let off. It says calibrate or cal in the display, and then for 1 second you hit or you press mode and inspect. You press mode and inspect for 1 second, and then you'll see the deal moving back and forth like this, like it showed in the display, and then you'll hear a beep, and then she's set. So this is where the level is set. So and again, if you guys want to go back to factory calibration, you know, if you buy one of these levels and you want it to stay at factory calibration, you can always revert back to it. But to me, this is where the level is its most accurate, because it's matched up. It's matched up with the spirit level. So thanks for watching. And this is my True Blue E105.16 16-inch 406 millimeter IP65 rated Empire digital level. You can find these at homedepot.com. They can be sent to your home. You know, if you purchase one, they can be sent to your house or at the store. Possibly you might be able to find one at the store if the store is, you know, if it's a pretty big store and they do a lot of tool sales. Our store probably does a fair share of tool sales, but they still don't carry the digital levels. The Wichita store carries a few of these levels. They carry, I think, a 24 or 48 inch. I think they have 2 of them at the one store in Wichita. But like I say, these are about $85, $86. You have to pay the sales tax, and then the shipping is free. And you might be able to also find these on Amazon. I don't know if Amazon sells them, but you might be able to find them there. And there's probably a few other places online that sells them, or at Ace hardware stores. And they may, and maybe True Value might also carry them, but I know Ace Hardware has them. So the Pride Agri stores had them over in Wichita. And so, but thanks for watching. Give me a smash that smash that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell. Tell me what you think in the comments. We thank you for watching. You have a great, great morning, Sunday morning, and we'll see you. This is Alan. Alan's Trains and Things. Take care, all. Bye-bye for now. Happy Sunday to you.